Assalamu alaikum dear students, myself Dr. Saida Neen and I am once again back with very informative lecture today of student problems and their solutions on Sunday morning. Let's watch. Student has passed through so many problems in his or her daily life like how to manage tuition fee, relationships, schoolwork, homework, exam, assignment, grades, etc. There are other problems also like disorganization, poor sleeping habits, skipping classes, wasting time, etc., which can reduce the confidence level of a student, and that's not right for a student. If we let these problems unresolved, then we get nothing at the end but to remain confused throughout our lives with these problems. We will lose our focus and interest in our studies. And even a simple problem will become a huge problem for us. We will be frustrated and rude. That's why our behavior with our elders, parents, teachers, and other classmates will be more disruptive and insulting. This type of disruptive behavior is not good for our physical and mental health, and also it ruins our studies. So what are the solutions of these problems? Yes, one of the main solution is time management. We have to manage our time to get rid of all these types of frustrations. We have to improve our skills, which will be helpful for our future learning process. And one of the main skill is the writing skill, which every student should have to know. We have to be more scientific in our lives and adopt new techniques which come in our lives, which is very necessary for a science student. We have to make different projects to enhance our learning capabilities. We have to adapt different types of experimentation techniques so that we can understand things in a much better way as compared to the previous. If we manage all these things, then we can be a happy student and a good human being, so that we can cross all the challenges in life with confidence to achieve our goals. That's all for today. I hope you will like this video also, and subscribe my channel, like, share, press the bell icon for future notifications. Until the next lecture, take care. Allah Hafiz.